So the block, cylinder head, crank and other parts have come back from the engineers. They've been dipped. So I'd like to just take off the plastic and get them all aired so they can dry out a bit, and then we're going to blow all the passageways clean and do a couple of things to the parts that have come back.
You can put on like this. So this must come This must be with this one meeting the.
And is there a way that those also go on? Or?
No, there's only one way they go on. The others have got other ways that they go on. I'm going to show you now after this. Get a compressor ring and an oil ring.
That's a bit thin, eh?
Other two is compressor rings. Alright, so this put on like this. Put it at the bottom.
And those the gaps in the rings must be not aligned, eh?
Yeah, I'm going to show you now. Right, there you see it's on now. And it's keeping it that where it's supposed to join. The two join, it keeps it together. The ring press that thing together. Alright,
That's the cylinder.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so it's two that you put on. Alright, so it mustn't face each other. It must be away from each other. So this one I can face to this side. Alright, so it's away from the. Alright, there is it on now.
Okay.
Alright, one is on this side, one is on the other side. Let me see it for now. Here's the other one.
Okay.
The bottom.
So opposite sides.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can push it, put it here. One there and one there, so it don't come over here. The other ones you can put anyway, so it as long as it don't come over each other. On this level here and this level, the grooves don't match each other. So one groove mustn't be on that side, and the other groove like this one is on this side and one is on that side.
And then that, so the same with the next two you're going to put in.
Yeah.
Be opposite from each other, but also not in line with the bottom.
Yes. Normally they have, there's the marking. Alright. Normally they will have like letters on here to show the marking, or they will have the dot. Okay. It says it must come on top. The dot must face upwards.
So
it's up always, yeah. So you see here's a groove at the bottom. That groove must go down. It's because it keeps give you the right compression afterwards. Because if this is turned around like this and the groove is up, the compression is not going to be right.
Okay, so the dot must be up and the groove must be down.
Yes.
Bring us closer, if I does see have a close look at the dot.
Okay.
Just come to the side of the lens here.
Okay, that's the dot.
Just focus the camera. Okay.
That's the dot, and that's the groove for the bottom. Always the groove must be at the bottom. Okay. Alright, bottom, top. Okay. Alright.
Going in a little.
It's supposed to go in a little, yeah.